Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own homemade lipstick. So all you're going to need is a stove, a pot, a glass jar without the lid, you do not need the lid, some crayons, just like a 64 pack of crayons or whatever you have available is fine, and one of those little, you could use a chopstick or a toothpick, one of those kebab thingamajigs, a stick that make kebabs with. And I think that's it. So what you're going to need to do is you are going to need to put, and you're going to need water. Water is also the key for this. So you're going to need to put a pot on the stove and turn the stove to medium heat on single or whatever. Like, you don't need the whole thing. Like, so you're going to want to put like 2 or 3 cups of water in the pan, and then your glass jar. If your glass jar starts floating, that means that you're going to, and oil. You're also going to need oil. You're going to need to dump some of the water out and then see if your jar floats. If your jar doesn't float, great. So then when you need, like, vegetable oil is what I use, and I think the original video, they used coconut oil, and I really think that worked better, but all I had available was vegetable oil, and that works pretty good too. So what you do is you'll take a spoon, 2 spoonfuls, like a regular tablespoon, and you'll take that and put the vegetable oil, canola oil, you know, whatever you have, and then put that in the glass jar. And then you're going to need to take the crayons you want to use for lipstick, which I just use a bright pink, a really metallic looking pink, and a white to make it brighter. But if you're using really dark colors, I'd suggest you use the white for that, because like with really, like, the pink and the metallic pink, the techno-looking pink, or not the metallic pink, the techno-looking pink, the pink and the techno-looking pink, are pretty bright together because the bright mixes with the like, duller kind of color, so it doesn't make it too bright and it doesn't make it too dull. So when I added the white, I thought it looked like a perfect color like this, but then when you put it on your lips, it doesn't really look like this. It looks way brighter, and you kind of have to put like 2 coats on your lips. But so then you'll have to take the paper off your crayons, obviously, and like break the crayon into as many pieces as you want, and then put it in there. And then do that with all your other crayons. And then take your kebab thing, your chopstick or toothpick, and then you'll just make sure to turn the oven on and stir it around and just stir it until it melts all the way. The fumes, the odor smells terrible coming from the crayons. But when you are done, like when your thing is completely melted, take like a plastic container. It doesn't have to be huge, but it can be any plastic container type thing, or like one of those medicine things, whatever. And you'll pour the wax into the thing, and then you'll put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. Then it will freeze, and then the middle will be all like warm and stuff. So that's when you want to take a Q-tip, and you'll dip it in there, and then you'll like put little dabs on your lips. So I'll go grab a Q-tip. So you take the Q-tip and you will dip it. You'll just like swish it around in here, or whatever, use your finger. And then you're going to want to apply it to your lips, like so. Like, just roll it on there, or wipe it. Now your lips will look like this. So then you're going to want to take some on your finger, like not a lot, but like this much, and apply it. And then rub with a different finger without the crayon lipstick on, and rub that in. And you'll come up with a really pretty, vibrant pink if you use the colors that I used. So I would only say, so I think that this works really well, and it is a great thing to do if you do not have enough money for bleh. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.